In this video, I'm going to show you how you save something in Google Docs. If you are online, it is actually really easy to save a document in Google Docs, because once you edit it, it will actually save itself. Just have a look at the top right corner when I edit this document. It says saving, and it says saved to drive. But if you want to save a document for offline use, I will show you how to do that as well. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Chrome Web Store, and then you want to download an extension called Google Docs Offline. I already have it, so I will show you how to use this. If you want to save this document offline, the first thing you want to do is to go to File, and then you want to go all the way down to Make Available Offline. And now you can go to your Google Drive, and because of this extension here, your Google Drive will be available in offline mode, and you will be able to access this recipe inside your Google Drive when you are offline. So let's see if on the document status, I will click it. All changes saved to drive. This document is ready for offline use. So just go to your Google Drive and you will find the offline files there. So this is how you save something on Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.